Dentium, for dentists, by dentists. From our humble beginnings to becoming a global leader in dental implantology, our mission has always been clear: to transform smiles and enhance lives. Dental implantology is at the core of our commitment. Founded in 2000 in Seoul, South Korea, by a visionary team of dentists determined to revolutionize dental implants, Dentium quickly rose to prominence in the field of dental implantology. By 2003, Dentium achieved European CE certification, and in 2004, our innovative systems gained US FDA approval, paving the way for global recognition. Today, Dentium products are trusted by clinicians in over 80 countries, with a strong presence in Europe, the Americas, and Asia, firmly establishing our leadership in dental implantology. From the bustling clinics of New York to the state-of-the-art facilities in Shanghai, Dentium continues to set the standard for quality and reliability in dental care. In the UK, Dentium's excellence is brought to you by Elexadent. Since our partnership began in 2022, we've focused on providing clinicians with unparalleled support and access to groundbreaking products like the SuperLine II implant system, renowned for its performance and reliability. Together, we're setting new standards in dental care.
As a dentist, I can confidently say that the Dentium implant has become a cornerstone of my practice. I always find that its performance is consistently predictable and reliable. In fact, the level of success it provides has become so ingrained in our routine that we almost take it for granted. Every time I treat a patient, I know I can count on the Dentium implant to deliver exceptional results, allowing me to focus on what truly matters, giving my patients the best care possible.
At Dentium, we believe in empowering professionals. Through our seminars and hands-on training sessions, we provide clinicians with the knowledge and skills to achieve the best outcomes for their patients. Through continuous education, we uphold our mission of excellence in dental implantology, ensuring every professional is equipped to deliver outstanding care. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do. From advanced digital workflows to cutting-edge implant systems like the SuperLine II and our latest Bright implants, Dentium offers comprehensive solutions tailored to the diverse needs of dental professionals. These new systems, including Bright implants, exemplify our commitment to refining and advancing dental implantology, ensuring excellence in every aspect of patient care. Dentium is dedicated to constant improvement. Our research and development efforts focus on enhancing the performance and longevity of our implant systems. We strive to create solutions that seamlessly integrate into the workflow of dental professionals, pushing the boundaries of dental implantology. Our product range extends beyond implants to include bone grafts, digital dentistry solutions, and restorative components. Each product is meticulously crafted to meet the high standards demanded by today's clinicians. Whether it's a routine case or a complex restoration, Dentium provides the tools needed to achieve optimal outcomes. With DASK as the gold standard kit used in sinus lifting worldwide, we continue to set new benchmarks in precision and reliability, ensuring superior results for dental professionals everywhere. Dentium's public listing on the Seoul Stock Exchange marks a significant milestone in our journey, highlighting our growth and success over the years. With an 83% all-time increase in value, our share price reflects our commitment to advancing dental implantology, driving innovation, and delivering exceptional value to our partners and stakeholders around the world. Our relentless focus on dental implantology ensures we remain at the forefront of the industry.
Dentium, for dentists, by dentists. Discover the difference today.
Get in touch with Elexadent, our authorized UK distributor.